All right, we're gonna try out these waterproof, slip-free shoes. These were provided to us by the brand for the purpose of this review, so thank you for that. These just slip right on. They have a really, really good non-slip surface on the sole there. They just slip right on there. And the other thing about this is that they are waterproof, 100% waterproof. So this is an entirely waterproof shell around the boot. We're going to go ahead and demonstrate that. I can tell you it's got excellent anti-slip grip to it. This is great for camping, for working in the garage, for yard work, anything where you might be exposed to some water too. If you do pressure washing, stuff like that, this would be excellent for that purpose. I can tell you can really feel the anti-slip. This must be what it feels like to be a spider, I would think, because you really feel it. It really does grip. It's kind of amazing. Let's go over to some water. Okay, so we can see the water just runs right off of the anti-slip surface like that. So this is great if you're out fishing, something like that, as long as you don't go over your ankles in the water. I'm gonna go ahead and take the shoe off and show you that my sock is completely dry right there. Yeah. And then on this slippery cement, it's really, really grippy. All right, here we are in the garage floor. This floor gets a lot of use. There's oil on here, coolant, things like that, but I can tell you it grips very, very well. They're also very comfortable. They do have an arch support, and they're just comfortable for walking in, just for general purpose. But this is a great shoe to put to work, especially if you're going to be around water or anything that could get your feet wet with other shoes. All right, thanks for watching. I hope you found this helpful.